Okay, ladies, we're recording. Today we're going to be doing our experiment for our learning partners, and we're going to be, what are we going to be doing, girls?
Alum crystals.
What are we going to be doing with the alum crystals?
Pouring it into there.
Well, no, what's the experiment? The experiment is to grow
alum.
Right, we're going to be growing alum crystals. So, okay, the first thing that we need to do is to pour 1/2 cup of hot water into a clean jar. So, Ruth, why don't you pour the hot water into the jar? Go ahead. Don't spill it. Go ahead, pour. Good job. Okay. All right. Okay, now Sade, you take how much alum are you going to put in first?
A tablespoon.
1 tablespoon, and you're going to put that tablespoon into the jar. Go ahead. There you go. Now stir it. You can pick the jar up if you need to. You gotta stir it until it dissolves.
Until it gets mixed in?
Yep, until it gets mixed in. Let's see. Watch your hands. No. I mean, move your hands. There you go. Is it mixed in? Is the water clear again?
Yes.
Yeah, it looks like it is. So why don't you add some more alum? Okay, how much again? How much more?
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon, right. 1 more tablespoon.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Here, Ruthie, why don't you stir this time? Okay, here's the stirrer. Go ahead and stir. Okay. Stir it up, Ruthie. Okay, Sade, you want to stir it the rest of the way?
Sure. And I'm pouring.
No, you don't stir. You don't put that in yet. Stir it up, Sade, until it's all gone, until you can't see the alum inside the water anymore.
It's getting there.
It's getting there now?
Yeah, it's done.
Okay. Alright, take out the knife. Okay, and now you're going to take 1 more spoonful. But how much? Not a full tablespoon. What are you going to do? 1/2 tablespoon, right. So go ahead and put the 1/2 tablespoon in there. Be careful. A little more. Okay. There you go. Go ahead, put it in. Okay, and now you can stir it up. Okay, Ruth, can you get the popsicle sticks? You only need 1. And where's the dental floss? Keep stirring, Sade, until it's all dissolved. Okay, you want to, Ruthie, why don't you take some of the dental floss off? Okay, more right there. Keep stirring, Sade. Good job. Don't put it in your mouth. Oh, okay. Is it done, Sade?
Yes.
It is done? You sure?
Yes.
Alright, let's take a look and see how. Okay, it looks like it's dissolved. Okay. Alright.
Does that smell too good?
Okay, so now, Ruthie, I want you to hold one of the popsicle sticks so Sade can tie the floss around the popsicle stick. Give Sade the floss.
Thank you.
Okay, now tie it in the middle. There you go. But it has to hang lower than that. let's see. Lower.
It's not that much blood.
I know, but that's okay. Here, you know what?
Oh, no.
How about if you record and I'll tie?
Okay.
You just keep the camera on Ruthie and I'll tie it, okay?
Okay.
And this is going to hang inside of the jar, right? Right, girls?
Yes.
This is going to hang inside the jar, and it's going to. What's going to happen when we hang it inside in the jar?
It's gonna grow alum.
Yeah, well, it's going to grow the crystals. There are crystals that are going to form on
Into crystals?
Yeah, inside the jar.
Crystal hearts or?
No, here you go.
Crystals.
All right. Okay. So now, Sade, I want you to you stirred the alum all up until it dissolved, just enough to saturate the water. Now we want to cover the jar with a paper towel or some type of paper or something like that, right? Okay, there you go. Now wait a minute now. You have to cover the jar and let it sit until tomorrow. Okay? Go ahead and cover it. And let the jar sit until tomorrow. And then tomorrow what'll happen is there will be crystals inside the jar. And we will take those crystals will be our seed crystals, and we're going to use those crystals to grow our larger crystals. We're going to take use the crystals that are inside the jar to grow the larger crystals, okay?
Are you supposed to call them alum crystals or just crystals?
Well, they're alum crystals, but you can call them crystals or alum crystals. It doesn't matter. Does anybody have any other questions?
When are we going to put this in?
We'll put that in tomorrow. What we'll do is...
When it'll grow alum crystals, then we put the blood in.
Okay, right. What'll happen is tomorrow we're going to pour the alum solution from the first jar. Where's the first jar? That's right. Okay, to the second jar. Where's the second jar? Okay, right. Our second jar is right here. So we're going to pour the alum solution from the first jar into the clean jar, and we're going to see small alum crystals at the bottom of the jar, and these are going to be our seed crystals that we'll use to grow the bigger crystals, right?
Yes.
Who's ready to grow big crystals? That's right. Okay. All right. So tomorrow we'll be back. We'll be back tomorrow to grow the rest of our crystal. Okay?
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.